When it comes to light demolition in Ventura County, homeowners and businesses trust AAA Hauling Incorporated. With years of experience, we provide efficient, safe, and hassle-free demolition services. Whether you're removing old sheds, tearing down fences, or tackling kitchen and bathroom remodels, our team is fully equipped to handle your project with care. At AAA Hauling Incorporated, we take pride in our thorough and responsible approach to demolition. Our trained professionals ensure that every step of the process is handled safely and swiftly, without disturbing the surrounding areas. Plus, we're committed to leaving your space clean and ready for the next stage of your project. From start to finish, AAA Hauling Incorporated makes light demolition simple and stress-free. Contact us today for a free estimate and let us handle your next demolition project in Ventura County, California. We're just one call away from transforming your space.